Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your age on Skout. If you've entered an incorrect age information during the sign-up process on your Skout dating account, and later, if you'd like to change your age and make your correction, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So, can you really change your age on Skout after you've already created an account? Unfortunately, there is no official method to change age on Skout. If you go to your Skout application and visit your profile page, you won't find any way so that you can change your age on Skout. So in that case, there is a solution to this problem. The first thing you'll need to do is go open your email account. Since I'm connected with my Gmail, I'm going to open up my Gmail account, and you can open up any respective email account that is connected with your Skout account. Now, once you're in, tap on Compose and start composing an email. Into the to text box, type in support@skout.com. Once you add the email, in the subject text box, go and type in the subject for your email. Once you do that, move towards the body of the email and type in your problem in more details. Now, you can type in an email like this, or you can type one of your own, but remember to include your age in month, date, and year format along with your text. Once you type in all of the needed information, go and tap on the send button at the top right. Once the email has been sent, all you need to do is to wait for an email from Skout support. You'll be guided on how you can change your age on Skout with this process. That is the only way you can get around this situation. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.